So guys, I came here to talk about the concept of becoming a content creator. You understand? So you are thinking about becoming a content creator. You have seen the flashy vlogs. People are flashing vlogs, different things, and the thing entices you. Big brand deals and people making money from doing what they love. Is it really as it seems? You understand? You want to become a content creator, you see people posting vlog, their life, flashy cars, brand deals, you think is the way it is. Just hold on, let me tell you. So guys, today I am breaking down the real cons of being a content creator. No sugarcoating. I have to be raw with you. You understand? Let's go. In today's episode, I came to tell you the cons and the pros of becoming a content creator. Yes, particular, let me refresh your memory. I posted a video about why you should become a YouTuber, why you should become a content creator, that it helps my life. If you have not catch up with that video, I will link it down on my video. Maybe check this side or check up, or you check this side down. You might see it. I will link it up. You understand? So you can check why you should become a content creator. That is the pros. But in today's own, I came to tell you the cons of becoming a content creator. Okay, it's good when you talk about right, you talk about left. All right, yeah. So number one, on income. You understand the pros of becoming a content creator? Income. Don't worry, I will explain to you why I name it income. First, earning fluctuates greatly. Earning can fluctuate greatly. You understand? Especially when you are early on YouTube. Maybe you are new monetized, you may not get the desired views for you to have. YouTube pays by views, not by subscribers. If you don't know, just get it straight now. YouTube doesn't pay by subscribers. If you be acquiring subscribers, be having more subscribers that won't watch your video. You understand? That is why I keep on saying it's better when you get to 1,000 subscribers, please stop doing sub for sub. You understand? Even if you are doing, just take it easy. Then build your channel, so that whenever you post a video, you see people that can watch it. Because when you keep on acquiring subscribers, that is when you will be on a 10k subscriber and you're getting 300 views or 500 views, which doesn't make sense. All right, so that is why they keep on advising, even if you want to do that stuff for sub, you wait, maybe you take it easy. Even if you're using speed, you can take it easy. Once in a while you do. You understand? So that you can make a good content, a valuable content for people to follow you naturally. When those people follow you naturally, that is those people that will be watching your video. You understand? These stuff for sub people, they don't watch your video. You understand? We are getting that stuff for sub for you to get subscribers. You can subscribe to each other without liking what they do on their channel, because you want to get subscriber count. But when people follow you because of what you do, because of your video, that is when you began to have a lot of views. Please, you understand? So earning can fluctuate. You understand? When you are early on YouTube. You understand? That is the cons of becoming a content creator. The earnings won't be stable. Ad revenue and sponsorship may be inconsistent. You may not be getting more ad revenue. You understand? Your money will be small. You understand? When you are early on content creating. So don't use speed, that because you see people cashing out, maybe they will come out here to tell you how much YouTube paid them in months. You think that when you start immediately that you'll be getting such an amount. All right, so the second part of it here, the second one is time consuming. We cannot emphasize on time consuming. YouTube is a time consumer. You understand? Creating quality content takes a lot of time. If you don't know, to bring out quality content, it has to take a lot of time. You understand? Because you need to plan. By planning, by scripting, by filming and editing and posting. This is the worst part of it. Let me tell you my experience. I've already mentioned it on my other video, that when I normally have chance to edit is in the night. When people are sleeping, oh, I will be editing. I will be awake. I'll be editing. That is content creator. And I've told you, before I bring out any content here, I make research and make sure that what I'm saying is true. So guys, as I told you, if you don't plan, if you don't script, if you don't film in, you understand, all these things takes your time so that you come out with a good content. The second one is growth is often slow and requires patience. You know, YouTube is not a fast pace, it's not a fast lane. You understand? So new content creator, if you don't know, you don't just come to YouTube and blow up immediately. You don't just come to YouTube and start getting a lot of views. You have to build your ground. You have to build your audience. You understand? You have to create content. You have to bring valuable content that people will watch you and follow you. You understand? When people watch you and follow you, that is when you begin to have a lot of views. When you post again, they will come back to engage with you. You understand? So YouTube require patience if you want to grow on this app. Number 3 is pressure to perform. You understand? So let me tell you what I mean by pressure to perform. Content need to produce content to stay relevant. You understand? Content need to produce content. If you want to stay relevant, you need to produce content. Whether you are an OG, whether you are a new content creator, so you need to be pushing out content on your channel so that you remain relevant. Because when you are not pushing out content, people will match your head and pass. You understand? So that is content for you. The pros of becoming a content creator can lead to burnout or creative fatigue. You understand? At times this thing happens to me. At times whenever I want to create a content, one I will become tired, I will become blank out. You understand? So as in to be a content creator takes time. And if time is not taken, you may fall sick, because some people do fall sick because of creating content. You know, when you are thinking of what to create, you are thinking of how to post it, you are thinking of, you know, this posting of a content is not a small thing, especially when you want to optimize your content very well. It's so difficult, it's time consuming. You understand? Before you optimize your video, you arrange it. You understand? So it's another thing. So if you want to become a content creator, please look into it, whether you can deal with it. Number 4 is algorithm dependence. You understand? Don't worry, just hold on. I will explain to you what I mean by algorithm dependence. Algorithm like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram can change how they promote content. You know, just get ready. Algorithm can change at any time. Like in this 2025, you see the way algorithm just changed. You understand? People that are bringing valuable content, algorithm have not discovered their channel. You understand? So just be patient. What you need to do is for you to be patient, still be posting your video. That is what I keep on advising people that are closer to me. Please don't get tired. The only thing that we know, that one day, there's no how that you stay on this YouTube for 2 years without achieving anything. Especially, you understand, especially when you're monetized. If you keep on posting content, one day the algorithm will smile on you. They will pick your video, so that your video will become visible to, and whenever you post, your video will become visible to people. You understand? So guys, why I told you privacy concern, you understand, sharing part of your life online can attract unwanted attention, especially my vlogians, people that are doing vlog. You know, when you do vlog, you share everything online. That is why I told people, please just remember, if you want, even if you want to share anything online, know what you share online. Because one, it may attract good people, it will attract bad people as well. So sharing things online, you will not have privacy again. Because one, you want to make a content, you want to carry your audience along with you, so you need to share. You understand? You need to share. But before sharing, please be very, very careful what you bring out online, especially people that are doing family vlog. All right? So the other one is dealing with trolls, haters, or invasive viewers can be stressful. You understand? Just remember that when you want to become a content creator, just be prepared for trolls. People will come, with people that you don't know from Adams, people that doesn't know you can come and troll you. You understand? It's the part of being a content creator. For example, I have been on a live session. One person just came to my live session and typed that I look like I look like a monkey, that kind of a thing. You understand? Because one, I'm prepared. I know all these things. I did not panic. I responded politely. I was not commenting harsh or anything, because there's a way you will comment, you will go against the rules. You understand? So that is content creator for you. Number 6, self-employment challenges. Let me tell you why self-employment challenges is a cost of creating a content. Number 1, no guarantee paycheck, healthcare or benefits. Remember, especially those people that are living their 9 to 5 jobs, say they want to become a full content creator. Remember, in content creating, you don't have insurance. There is no insurance for you. There is no insurance that will cover your medicals, that will cover your health cares, that will cover so many things that paycheck, your paycheck will not be steady. You may earn higher this month, by next month you may not earn higher, your revenue will drop. You understand? So be prepared in all these things, especially when you want to go full-time content creating. And so the other one is you are responsible for everything, both tax, branding, production and strategy. You understand? You don't do teamwork. This content creating, you are the boss of your own. You understand? You are the one that will pay the tax, not the company. Your branding is on your head. This is your strategy for you. The way to get views will be on you, because if you do not have strategy on your channel, you will not be getting views. You understand? So all these things, before you become a content creator, please think deeply about all these things, so that when you meet any of them on your channel, you will not be panic. All right? So guys, so as I was telling you, views drop on your video, maybe even if you're getting like 200 views, 1k view, at times it might decide to drop. You'll not be getting such views on your channel. You understand? So that is the YouTube for you. That is why we told you need to be patient on this app if you want to really make money. You understand? You need to be patient. So guys, let me tell you my final thoughts about becoming a content creator. Should you become a content creator? Being a content creator is one of the most fulfilling things you can do. Exactly. You understand? But it's not always glamorous. Yes, being a content creator is not always glamorous. You understand? But when you stay long on this channel or on this app, you will reap the fruit of your labor. You understand? You can't just start reaping immediately. You will venture into content creating. You understand? So that is why. And before you reap it, it takes hard work, consistency and a thick skin. Yeah, just be prepared for the hard work. Be prepared even when you're tired to make a content. If you're tired, just be prepared that in any circumstances, you must put out something. Just be consistent and your hard work, and develop a thick skin because of all those truths. Because one, you're putting your life on social media. You understand? Because when you accepted that you want to become a content creating, you're putting your life on social media. You understand? So that is one thing that content creators do to you. But when you are passionate and you're willing to learn, content creating can change your life. You see what I mean? It's patience, consistency. You understand? You don't just come here and blow up immediately. They will start paying you money. You understand? On your channel, it requires consistency and dedication. Okay, I've come to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and turn on your bell notification. Whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, I will see you in my next one. Bye.